Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically change the color of your karaoke text animation on CapCut PC. So I am just going to select this ratio and I'm just going to use this default text because I don't have a lyric in mind right now. Whoops, I don't. Okay. There we go. You can use any font you want, of course. I might also add a glow to this. Go to animation, go to the in animation, and go to the karaoke one, which is this one. Okay, the glow did disappear, so I might add it in later or not. Adjust the duration of the animation. Go to, I'm just gonna turn off the glow and maybe add that later. Go to background or anywhere really, or like you can use like other colors for this, but I'll just use this one. I also need to right click, create compound clip for this. Need to go to adjustments, turn down saturation, turn up brightness, turn up highlights, turn up shadows. Select that overlay, blend mode, and select overlay. If you'd like to add in a glow, just type in edge glow and just add it on top like so. That's too much, just edit it. Which one is the one that I can edit? There we go. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.